Concepts revisited. Concepts revisited. What are the concepts that we discussed yesterday? The first concept that we discussed is number of ways of writing a number. Number of ways of writing a number. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two factors. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two factors. As a product of two factors. As a product of two factors. What we discussed first is if it is natural numbers. If it is natural numbers, answer is nothing but number of factors. Answer is nothing but number of factors. Answer is nothing but number of factors. It is in ordered pair. In all the questions, whatever we are discussing today, the variables will be present. Wherever the variables are present, then it is an ordered pair. Second one, natural numbers. In case if it is integers, then it will be 2 times the number of factors. Then it will be 2 times the number of factors. Then it will be 2 times the number of factors. It is for an unordered pair. It is also for an ordered pair. Unordered pair is when the variables are not present in the question. Please make a note of these two important key points. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two factors. If it is natural numbers are positive numbers. So only one way will come. Positive into positive is positive. If it is integers, positive into positive is positive. Negative into negative is also positive. These are not unordered pair. These ordered pair. These an ordered pair. These an ordered pair. I hope the concept is clear. Natural numbers as well as integers. These two important key points are there. Why there is a double? 2 times the number of factors we got it. Why? Because positive into positive is positive and negative into negative is also positive. Positive into positive, positive, and negative into negative, it is also positive. This is the first and very, very important key point. This concept we are going to use it extensively in our class. Very, very important key point. Now let us see the second key point. Second key point. If the degree of the equation is 2, if the degree of the equation is 2, if the degree of the equation is 2, write the equation as a product of, write the equation as a product of, write the equation as a product of two factors. Very, very important key point. Write the equations as a product of two factors. What is this? Once we are solving problems, then it will be extremely clear to you. If the degree of the equation is 2, write the equation as a product of two factors. When I'm solving problems, I will explain in detail how this concept can be used. Third important key point. If the equation is of the form, if the equation, generally a good number of questions are given of the form a by x plus b by y equivalent to 1 by c, where a, b, c are constants, a by x plus b by y equivalent to 1 by c, where a, b, c are constants, or in other words, if they are numerical values, write the equation as x minus a into c, y minus b into c equivalent to a into b into c square, a into b into c square. A into B into C square. Please write down these important 3 key points. Students are saying, kindly speak in Hindi, right? The language of communication which I am going to use in all the classes will be basic English. Basic English, because we have got students from all the parts of India. If the degree of the equation is 2, write the equation as a product of two factors. If the equation is of the form a by x plus b by y equivalent to 1 by c, where a, b, c are constant, directly you can write the equation as x minus a into c, y minus b into c equivalent to a into b into c square, a into b into c square. I hope these three important key points are clear to you. One by one, we will solve the questions, very, very important questions, which we are going to solve it. First, we will write the question. Find the integral solutions. Find the integral solutions. Find the integral solutions for the following. First, I will write a lot of questions. Then we will discuss one by one. Find the integral solutions for the following. Integral solution. First question. X plus y is equivalent to x into y. Second question. X plus y plus 99 equivalent to x into y. Third question. 2xy minus 5x plus y equivalent to 55. 2xy minus 5x plus y equivalent to 55. Fourth question. Sn plus Pn equivalent to n. How many values n can take which satisfies these equation? N is a natural number. N is a natural number. X plus y equivalent to x into y. X plus y plus 99 equivalent to x into y. 2xy minus 5x plus y as 55. Sn plus Pn equivalent to n. The next question. The number, suppose 12 times the sum of the digits. 12 times the sum of the digits equivalent to n. What is Sn here? Sn is nothing but the sum of the digits. Sn is nothing but sum of the digits. What is Pn here? Pn is nothing but product of the digits. Sn is sum of the digits and Pn is product of the digits. So 12 into Sn equivalent to n. How many such numbers exist? Last question. These are all type 1 questions. There is a 6-digit number 1 A B C D E into 3. It is nothing but A B C D E 1. A B C D E 1. Find 1 plus A plus B plus C plus D plus E. A plus B plus C plus D plus E. These all the questions come under type number 1. Very, very important questions which we are going to discuss today. X plus y equivalent to x into y. X plus y plus 99 equivalent to x into y. 2xy minus 5x plus y equivalent to 55. Sum of the digits plus product of the digits equivalent to number itself. How many such numbers exist? How many such 2-digit numbers exist? 3-digit numbers exist, 4-digit numbers, so on and so forth. 12 times the sum of the digits is equivalent to the number. There is another 6-digit number, 1 A B C D E into 3 is A B C D E 1. Find 1 plus A plus B plus C plus D plus E. 1 plus B, A plus B plus C plus D plus E. These are all the 6 questions which comes under type number 1. Type number 2. First we will write the questions so that you will come to know in order. Type number 2. First question. 1 by x plus 1 by y equivalent to 1. 1 by y. Second question. 1 by x plus 1 by y equivalent to 1 by 3. 1 by 3. X and y are integers. Anyway, I specified that x and y are integers. Third question. 2 by x plus 3 by y equivalent to 1 by 6. 2 by x plus 3 by y equivalent to 1 by 6. How many integral solutions satisfies these equation? Next question. 3 by x minus 5 by y equivalent to 1 by 15. 1 by 15. How many integral values will satisfy these equation? Next question. 1 by x minus 1 by y equivalent to 1 by 12. How many integral values satisfy this equation? All these questions we are going to solve. Sixth question. 1 by m plus 4 by n equivalent to 1 by 12. M and n are positive integers. M and n are positive integers. N is an odd integer. N is an odd integer less than 60. How many values n can take which satisfies this equation? How many values n can take which satisfies this equation? 6 plus 6 total 12 questions which we are going to discuss in the second class. We wrote 3 important key points. What are the 3 important key points? Number of ways of writing a number as a product of 2 natural numbers is total number of factors. As a product of 2 integers, it is twice the total number of factors. Why it is positive into positive, negative into negative, positive into positive, negative into negative. The second important key point which we wrote is, if the degree of the equation is 2, write the equation as a product of 2 factors. Third important key point is, if the equation is of the form a by x plus b by y equivalent to 1 by c, a by x plus b by y equivalent to 1 by c, then how to write out this equation? These 12 questions we will discuss in detail. Extreme important question. Now, another important thing is, this is an original CAT question, sir. This is an original CAT question. This is an original CAT question. And there are few questions in these first to 5 which are XAT and CAT replica questions. XAT and CAT replica questions. XAT and CAT replica questions. 12 questions we will discuss in detail. Now let us go to one by one. First question. First question is, x plus y is equivalent to x into y. X plus y is equivalent to x into y. X and y are integers. X and y are integers. How many values x comma y will satisfy this equation? How many values x comma y will satisfy this equation? X plus y is equivalent to x into y. How many values x comma y will satisfy this equation? Step number 1. One by one with steps I will explain. Step number 1. First thing is, the degree of the equation is 2. The degree of this equation is 2. X, y, the degree is x power 1, y is y power 1. Degree of the equation is 2. If the degree of the equation is 2, write the equation as a product of 2 factors. Write the equation as the product of 2 factors. Write the equation as a product of 2 factors. Step number 2. How to write it as a product of 2 factors? See here. I will push everything to the right hand side. xy minus x minus y equivalent to 0. I can write like this. Suppose if I take common x, remaining is y minus 1. Again here y minus 1 if I take common, minus 1. So I am adding 1 on both the sides. Minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, it is nothing but plus 1. So I took x common. So these are nothing but x minus 1 into y minus 1 equivalent to 1. X minus 1 into y minus 1 equivalent to 1. So it is nothing but 1 into 1 and minus 1 into minus 1. And minus 1 into minus 1. X minus 1, 1. Y minus 1, 1. So x value will be 2 and y value will be 2. One solution. Second solution. X minus 1 is minus 1. Y minus 1 is minus 1. X value will be 0 and y value will be 0. 0 and 2 both are integers. So how many solutions x and y took? How many solutions? 2 solutions x and y took. Very, very easy question if you know the approach on how to solve this question. How to solve this question? Now see here, sir. X plus y equivalent to x into y. Step number 1. Degree of the given equation it is 2. If the degree of the equation is 2, write the equation as a product of two factors. So to write it as a product of two factors, I pushed everything to the right hand side. Xy minus x minus y equivalent to 0. Xy minus x minus y equivalent to 0. Answer for this question is nothing but 2. I hope the first question is crystal clear to you. Step by step, problem by problem, we will solve each and every question. Second question. What is the second question? X plus y plus 99 equivalent to x into y. X plus y plus 99 equivalent to x into y. X and y are integers. X and y are integers. How many values x will take? Again, the first thing that we should do is check the degree of the equation. Degree of the equation, it is 2. If the degree of the equation, it is 2, push everything to the right hand side. Xy minus x minus y, it is nothing but 99. Xy minus x minus y equivalent to 99. Add 1 on both the sides. If I add 1 on both the sides, let me see if I can write this number as a product of two factors. Adding 1 on both the sides. X common, remaining it is y minus 1. Again y minus 1 common, it is minus 1. It is 99 plus 100. So this can be written as x minus 1 into y minus 1. It is nothing but 100. 100 is nothing but 2 square into 5 square. 100 is nothing but 4 into 25, which is 2 square into 5 square. Now, very, very important thing which I discussed yesterday. Whenever variables are present in the question, then it is nothing but an ordered pair. In ordered pair, 1 minute, sir. In ordered pair, what will be the answer? Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two factors. It is nothing but number of factors. If it is a natural numbers, or twice the number of factors, if the question is of integers. Integers include positive, 0 and negative. These for the natural numbers. X minus 1 into y minus 1 is 2 square into 5 square. So the number of factors is 3 into 3, 9. Because x and y are integers, answer is nothing but 2 times the number of factors. Answer is nothing but 2 times the number of factors. So 2 times 9. Answer is nothing but 18. Answer is nothing but 18. I hope the idea it is very, very clear. So, seems like a little tough question, but once you understand, this is a very, very easy question. X plus y plus 99 equivalent to x into y. Xy minus x minus y equivalent to 99. Add 1 on both the sides. X minus 1 into y minus 1 is 2 square into 5 square. This is a variable. So how many ways can you write a number as a product of two factors? It is 2 times the number of factors. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Answer for this question is 18. I hope the idea it is clear. Just 1 minute, sir. Idea for this question, it is clear. So if there is a 99, right hand side I got 100. Directly it is 2 times the number of factors. Suppose if the question is like this. X plus 1, y plus 143 equivalent to x into y. X plus y plus 143 equivalent to x into y. What will be the answer directly? X minus 1 into y minus 1 equivalent to 144. 144 is nothing but 12 square. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 whole square, which is 2 power 4 into 3 square. Because the variables are present, it is an ordered pair. It is an ordered pair. And in the question, it is specified that x and y are integers. If it is integers, I will get two cases, positive into positive and negative into negative. So answer is 2 times the number of factors. Answer is 2 times the number of factors. 2 into number of factors will be from 0 to 4, 5 and 0 to 2, 3. Answer for this question is 30. Answer for this question is 30. In a CAT, there are lot of pattern-based questions that will come in the logic. If the degree of the equation is 2, write the equation as a product of 2 factors. Write the equation as a product of 2 factors. I hope the third question is crystal clear to you. Answer for this question is 2 into 5 into 3, 30. Third question, I hope it is clear. Now, before we solve the fourth question, first we will write down the foundation. What is the foundation? Now see here, foundation. Foundation. First one, suppose AB is there. AB, it is a 2-digit number, where B is called the unit digit. Where B is called the unit digit. A is there in the tens place. A is there in the tens place. So A is called the tens digit. A is called the tens digit. A is there in the tens place. So the value of A is A into 10 plus B, which is nothing but 10A plus B. 10A plus B. Because A is there in the tens place, answer is nothing but 10A plus B. Answer is nothing but 10A plus B. Suppose if there is a 3-digit number, ABC, here you can take an example, 23. 2 is there in the tens place, so it is 2 into 10 plus 3. 2 into 10 plus 3. C is nothing but the units place. C is nothing but the units place. B is nothing but the tens place. B is nothing but the tens place. A is nothing but the hundreds place. A is nothing but the hundreds place. So what will be the answer? A is there in the hundreds place. A into 100. B is there in the tens place. B into 10 plus C. So ABC is nothing but 100A plus 10B plus C. 100A plus 10B plus C. Depending upon the place value, wherever the digit is there, the value will be multiplied by the 10 power K. If B is there in tens place, B into 10 power 1. If A is there in hundreds place, it is A into 10 square. AB, it is a 2-digit number, and ABC, it is a 3-digit number. I hope this idea it is clear. This is an extremely important key point for us to solve the next two problems. This idea should be clear to you.